Hi and welcome to this tapping video. My name is Janine, Change for Success. If you do like these videos, please hit subscribe. There's plenty more on this channel. But today we're going to work on grief. Grief can affect so many of us in so many different ways, okay? And it can have such a massive impact, but it's about how we can process grief and how we can work on this with tapping. So what I want you to do is just gently start tapping with me, just taking care of your own mental health and well-being. Just check in with how you're feeling right now, okay? Just notice how that feels. Just be with that feeling and just start tapping away with me, okay? So even though I'm feeling all this grief, I choose to accept myself anyway. Even though I'm feeling all this pain, all this sadness, I'm going to be open to accepting me now and this grief. So even though I'm feeling all this grief, all this pain, it's okay for me to just process this now. Just to be in the moment. And I choose to accept me now anyway. And anyone else that might be involved. All this grief. All this sadness. All these feelings. Everything that's running around in my head. And it's okay to feel these feelings right now. It's okay to be exactly where I am. All these emotions. All these feelings. And it is okay to let this emotion come up. It is okay to be with this emotion. And it's okay to process this right now. It's okay to go through these feelings. It's okay to go through these waves. It's okay to feel how I feel. It's okay to experience these feelings right now. All this feeling of sadness. All this feeling of upset. It is okay to feel this. It is okay to experience grief. It is okay to experience loss. And it's okay to feel this emotion. And it's okay to process this. And it's okay to be with these feelings right now. Just knowing that I can process this at the right speed for me. Whatever is right for me. Just remembering all those times we had, all those memories. And that's okay. Bringing me some peace and comfort. Bringing me some comfort during this time. And it is okay to feel these feelings. And I am okay right now. And it's okay to know that I can process this. I don't need to beat myself up. Just take the exact right time I need for me. Whether I need to take some time out, promote self-care, and really just look after me. Knowing that's what they would want. Just being in that space now. Just being open to letting some of these feelings come up. It's okay to be within these feelings. And it is okay just to let go whatever's right for me. It's okay to process sadness, upset, and emotion. And it's okay to be with those feelings now. All this sadness. Tapping through these feelings of sadness. Tapping through these emotions. What if I could just release whatever's right for me? Whatever's right just in this moment. And I just take every moment by moment right now. And that is okay. And I'm doing okay. It's okay to be with all this emotion right now. just feeling in this space, because I choose to accept me. Feeling these feelings, being open to just letting some of this go. Just tapping into feelings of calm and relaxed. Tapping into a safe space that is exactly right for me, right at this moment. Okay, that's good. Just take a nice deep breath. Breathe out. And it is okay to process these emotions, these feelings, how you're feeling right now. It is okay to feel that just at this moment. Do make sure you get some support, look after yourself. And if you need anything, do get in touch. Okay, I hope this has helped. Do repeat as and when necessary as well. Okay, take care.